now. Hey YouTube, hey y'all, what's up? How are you? Don't be talking about my braids. They little fuzzy. They on their Meek Millie, they pop smoke, but my edges is growing back. Yay! So I'm gonna do this wig tutorial on this wig that I got from SNS Hair. I don't like this shirt. Hold on. I should need something I can move and maneuver, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get this wig on. But yeah, so today I'm going to do this wig tutorial or whatever. I haven't done one in so long that like I don't even know if this show about to be good or it's about to be good, but oh yeah, peep the hang time. Your girl cut it here and now it's getting long again. Anyway, so if you see this line right here, I burned myself the other day. Doing too much. A lot of you guys have been asking in my other video what color wig cap that I use, and I'm about to show you the one that's like the closest to my skin tone. It's the light brown, this one right here by Miss Remy. Yeah, light brown. This is the one that I'm going to use today, and I think this is the one that I used in my other video. So this wig came in this box here. I got this from SNS Hair. I bought it with my own money. They didn't sponsor me yet. But this one, I got an 18-inch straight wig. Even though it came a little wavy, it's the box that it came in. I got this wig, like, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I got this wig sometime 2020, but I just been letting it just sit and chill because I wasn't going nowhere. I was just popping on my regular wigs and just going because I didn't feel like customizing and all that other stuff. I'll leave a link to the wig in the description box if you want to see this wig. Now, I gotta be honest. I plucked my life away and it's still very full. So, I'm not an expert, but we just gonna see how this goes. Because the wig, like the hair itself, there's a lot of like flyaways. Of course, I'm gonna straighten all of that out. But it's a lot of flyaways. It's a lot of like, y'all, I hope this is good. But like, things that I use to put my cap on is my Got To Be spray. Sometimes I use this invisible styling gel, but it be taking too long to kind of like sit down or whatever. So okay, so I'm gonna just, y'all, I'm nervous. I have not done this in so long. Like, I'm scared, like I'm gonna fuck it up. I hope I don't fuck it up. I mean, I could always buy a new wig cap, but like, I just don't want to fuck it up. Okay, so the main thing with the wigs, how to make the cap really like invisible, is like when you do, look, I'm talking like I know what I'm talking about. When you put it on like this, you gotta make sure like right here, like the band itself, this is gonna get cut. This solid part, this thicker part is gonna get cut. So if you think that like your wig is gonna sit, like, see this right here? I probably need to cut this just a little bit more. So when you spray your Got To Be, this is gonna disappear ultimately. Like, it don't matter how big your head is. So I'm gonna spray like right here to where you, the point of this is to keep the cap down. Keep the cap, I keep looking right here, sorry. Keep the cap down, keep it flat, keep it like melted to your head. Okay, so I'm gonna just spray. See how that? I know what you're thinking, like, oh, am I supposed to put it on my hairline? Yeah, a little bit. Ooh, that was cold. And I just do it like that. So I'm gonna take this blow dryer and I'm gonna blow dry this whole section. What I do is I go from cool to hot to cool to hot. That really helps like balance out the ooh, stuff in my eye. When you go from cold to hot back and forth, it really like helps it dry, and it helps it dry faster. Sorry, it helps it dry faster, and yeah. So I'm gonna just plug these on up, and yeah. I don't know if it's completely dry. It feels like it might be, but sometimes it don't work out that good. I'll cut up this way. Okay. Now we cutting this damn thing off. I might cut this again. I don't know. Like, I only have a styrofoam head, but I need a cork head because, like, styrofoam, like, I grit my teeth at night, so styrofoam really just be, oh, it's like the sound of it is just, I can't, like, I'm sorry. Oh, I can't do it. It just, it makes my teeth hurt, if that makes sense. So here's the wig. Sorry, I forgot to show y'all the actual wig itself. It is a 13 by 6 or whatever the fuck. It has the lace in the back as well, if you want to put it up. I may or may not. I don't know. So I did pluck this wig a little bit because, like, the hairline was just real bulky. And, kind of still is. It shouldn't nobody wig be this far. Like, I understand if you got a tiny forehead, well, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I don't feel like nobody wig should be past, like you see where my joint is? Like, really, I could move this back. I have a forehead. It's there. It ain't going nowhere. I ain't ashamed of it. You know? I can tell you how I feel. See how, like, you put it down where it's probably gonna lay it. You say you can still see that. That means you need to cut back a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna cut back just a little bit more. And I'm gonna take my, oh my God, it's so disgusting. I'm gonna wipe it off. My bold hold, I'm going to put this dotted a little bit all around here. And then I'm going to, like, I'm gonna show you. All you need is a little bit because you're just trying to make sure this blends in so this part ain't lifting up. Okay. Take this popsicle stick. Push it down like that. So it don't lift. I'll be right back in a second because somebody has to use the restroom. So I'll be back. And I'm back. So I'm gonna use the best thing that's ever happened to wigs, which is the Eben Tinted Lace Spray in the color Light Warm Brown. I'm gonna just spray a little up here. Oh, what the? Bro. Are you serious? You know what? I'm gonna get this damn tutorial over with because at this point I'm irritated. I should have never sprayed this damn cap. So I'm gonna spray the wig. I'm just gonna spray the inside of the wig. I don't want to get too far up on the lace. So yeah, here you go. And this spray just helps the lace like look a little more cohesive when you put it on. So I'm just gonna air it out. I ain't even plug on my hot comb. Just cut these off. I mean, nobody, you're not using this anyway. So I just cut right here. Cut off. straight line right here because I'm not using none of this lace. You know what? This is why I forgot to cut the combs out. Y'all can tell I ain't done this in a long time. So every time I get a wig, I cut these combs out because they're in there for no fucking reason for me, because I'm not putting these combs nowhere near my head, because for what? But be sure that you're not cutting this part, because this needs to stay so that the lace can attach itself to the wig. So just, you know, make sure that you're cutting the combs, but you're not cutting the part that's linking it to the cap. And that's how it's gonna look. Cause I don't feel like doing shit else today. All right, so I'm gonna put my first actual layer to actually lay the wig. Actually, no, I'm not. How many times are you gonna say actually?
Excuse my voice, but here I'm just cutting a straight line where the ear tab is. I don't really do like the U shape or cut around my ear. I just do the straight line, and it helps lay the lace flat so much better.
So now I'm going to go ahead and do my first layer. I'm only gonna do 2 layers because I don't know how long I'm gonna have this wig on. If I want to have it on for like a week or something, I would definitely do more than 2 layers. Don't get me wrong, I'm all for like a lace being laid, but I'm not about to have like no edges just to have a lace laid. Like, fuck that. I need to still have my hair up under this in case I wanna, you know.
Okay, guys, so I'm putting my second layer of glue down. I do this in the middle first, and I smooth it out with a popsicle stick. I do it section by section when I do my hair. And after it's dry clear, like you can see right here, I put the wig down, and I use the comb and I comb it back. I know some people do their baby hairs before, but I don't. And combing back the hair is like so great for making it look like a scalp, you know, because your hair naturally, it just goes back like that when you flat iron it. So what I'm doing is making sure that all the hairs are pushed back so that the hair itself does not get caught in and mixed in with the glue. And then I'm going to do this other side here, and I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. So for time's sake, while one side is drying, I put glue on the other side because they both kind of take a while to dry. And while this other side is drying here, I'm going to actually lay the other side. Girl, how many times were you going to say other side? But y'all get the point. I was just clarifying, you know, what I was doing.
While I'm still waiting for this side to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot comb. I ain't getting in my ear, fuck that. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this side down. I'm going to hot comb one more time.
Don't mind me here. I'm just talking my shit. And I hot comb and I make sure that I press the side of the comb down when I do this. It just really makes everything look so much better.
Okay, so what I'm about to do is tie this jump down before I cut this excess lace. I don't got no one on elastic band. Well, I don't think I do. Ow! Get 2 rapids, 2 wraps, and then I'm gonna tie it down with a scarf. Get up. Okay, scalp it, scalp, scalp, scalp. For extra security, Might as well straighten this while I'm waiting. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this Garnier Sleek Moroccan oil. It's made it so much smoother. But these ends gotta go. Like, what is this?
So y'all, I tried to use my little layering comb, but that wasn't doing nothing at all. So then I got me some hair scissors and I had to do what I had to do. It's a little blunt cut, but whatever. It's better than what I had before. So now I'm just going to take the wrap off. I left it on for like 15 minutes. So now I'm just going to cut the wrap and then cut the lace. I tried to do it on camera, but the angles wasn't it. So I had to do it off camera. And as you can see, I'm like tweezing the little sideburns because I tell y'all like a little sideburn every now and then. And don't mind this long piece. Like I was just cutting to see if I could swoop some baby hair for momentarily because I really wasn't done with this wig. I was just tired, y'all. It was like 2 in the morning when I'm doing this tutorial, but you know, I gotta do it for y'all. So yeah.
My lash been coming off this entire time. I'm really tired, so I'm probably gonna finish this tutorial tomorrow. So far, this is the edges. This is what I got. This side needs a lot of work. I'll probably finish the tutorial tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.
Okay, guys, I know I look a little crusty, but this is the next day. I'm just showing you how good the lace laid down. I actually worked out that day, and you see like the lace is still looking great. So this is the final look. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.